What's poppin', Pizza Pals? Welcome back. I know I didn't scream at that time because my throat is really killing me now. I woke up this morning at around 5 a.m. I felt awful. I still do. So, I have a runny nose. My throat hurts. And I think my head's kind of warm. And I have kind of a little bit of a headache. So, you want to know what I thought would be good? If I played a runny game with a runny nose. I'm sorry. So last video, we did that one. So now, we'll try this one. Refrigerator. Whoever named this level should be very proud of themselves. Oh boy. Hold on. Okay, well, I enjoy this level. It's pretty fun. One problem that I have with it though, it's really long. It's not the longest level, but it's kind of long. We were doing good. Till my man Pepino decided to fall into a pit. Alright. Ah! I fall. Die! Yeah! You gotta do what you gotta do, man. Alrighty. Alright, we gotta wait. Ow. Hold on, get the points. Alright. Nice. Ah. What's poppin', pizzas? I'm Satan. This is pretty crazy. Pain. Nothing will be left alive. Not even you, Billy John. It's quite crazy how this was one of the easiest lap 3s. But like, now it's like one of the most annoying lap 4s that I've done. Hey, Pino, can you go, please? He just killed himself. Come here. Oh, okay. Calm down, Woody. We're your friends. Shut up, Buzz. I'm gonna kill you. Sorry, pal, but can we make amends? Shut up, Slink. I'm gonna kill you. Why can't we just talk it out? Shut up, Bo. I'm gonna kill you. Woody, oh Woody, where have you been? Shut up, Andy. I'm gonna kill you. We're ready to get funky. That was going so good too. Alright, well that deals with that problem. Okay, this is fine. Oh my god. Alright, here we go. 55. Man, what is that? That's bowl. That's what that is. That's a bowl. Absolutely. That's such nonsense, mate. Can we have like a reasonable war timer one time? There, I got to find my flare. Oh, slice by slice. Earn my prize. We're not gonna make it, are we? Alright, Peppino. It's time to go. Oh god. Ah! You made it. That's a little bit off time. Beans. You feeling alright? Well. Oh. Well, everybody. Yeah, I guess that was refrigerator or freezerator lap 3. Or lap 4. I think that went pretty well. Wow. This is truly sad. Ah! Well, everybody, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I guess I'll see you in the next one. We'll be trying the funny sewer level. Bye now.